Hi, little learners. Welcome to Little Learners Land. Let's count from 1 to 10. Ready? Let's go.
1. Baseball. 2. Elephants. 3. Mice. 4. Balloons. 5. Monkeys. 6. Ducks. 7. Llamas. 8. Donuts. 9. Puppies. 10. Kittens.
You did it, friends. You counted 1 to 10. Come back to Little Learners Land for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.